If you go to download and install a free app on your iPhone, but then it asks you to enter in your billing information and it looks like it's going to charge you for that app, I'm going to walk you through why Apple is asking you for that billing information and why they're asking it when you download a free app. So it might look something like this. When you go to download a free app, it says tap continue and sign in to view your billing information. And it will ask you for your billing information even though that specific app is free. Essentially, the reason why this could be popping up is because you have an unpaid balance on an existing subscription on your iPhone. So if you go into the subscription section, which I'll show you exactly how to find that, you might see something that looks like this. It says amount you owe $5.99. And essentially you have registered or signed up for a subscription, or maybe someone else has that has access to it. Again, I'll show you how to check that. They might have paid for a subscription, but it has not gone through yet. So you need to fix that billing error on your iPhone. So to be able to do that, let's tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. Tap on your name at the top. And first, let's check to make sure no one else has access to be able to buy subscriptions or pay for apps without your permission. To do that, tap on Family midway down, and then scroll down to Purchase Sharing and tap on that. Now, if you don't have Family set up and you don't have Purchase Sharing turned on, then you should be good to go. No one else is making those purchases. It's just something that you have paid for and that you'll need to look into. But if this is turned on, you can always choose to turn it off. Now, let's tap the back arrow at the top left. And then within the Apple account, still scroll down, tap on Media and Purchases. And this will pop up with a View Account option. So tap View Account and use your Face ID to authenticate and unlock this. After you've done that, tap on Purchase History, the third option down, and you'll be able to see all of the purchases. This is where if you see anything is in red, essentially this means you have purchased that app or made an in-app subscription or something like that, but it hasn't gone through for your billing yet. And essentially you need to make sure that you settle up your debts before you can download any new apps. So if any of these are in red, you're going to check your billing card or billing payment method by tapping the back arrow and then tapping on Manage Payments. You can see on here, it will load up with your payment method. Tap on your payment method and check to see your payment method. It might have expired. The basically credit card or debit card that you're using might have expired, or you might have just entered in the wrong billing address or the wrong credit card information. If that is the issue, just delete out this one and add a new one, or just edit it to be correct. And then it will settle up those old charges and it will no longer ask you to pay or enter in billing information to download free apps. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.